G'day everyone, how's it going? I went down the road yesterday and grabbed myself a new helmet, a HJC RPHA70. Yeah, it's a nice lid. I had a look at a few down there. I went to AMX Superstore, down to local bike accessory store. And yeah, just looked around some shoeies and aerials and AGVs and all that. But I settled for this. It just sort of, it's like it just felt the best to me. It's really comfy, so I grabbed one of them. I think I paid way too much for it down there, and I should have just went and tried a helmet on and bought it online, because I paid $7.99 Australian down at AMX, and yeah, I found them online for like $460. So that'd make you a bit sick in the guts, wouldn't it? But you know, pays to shop around instead of just being impulsive shopping. But it is what it is now, isn't it? It's got the little drop-down tinted visor. That's nice. This comes with a pen lock on the inside of the visor. Yeah, you got your vent there, another vent down here, which are open on the inside. Two-stage vent on the top, and two little side vents either side. So yeah, it's alright. There's your, it's got somewhere it lets all the air flows out down here, I imagine, through once you open them vents up. Comes out on these little bottom vents. But that's it. It's a nice lid though, it's very comfy, and one thing I will say about it, for a helmet it's pretty quiet, and that's what I wanted, was a quiet helmet. Because the Bell that I replaced, I had a Bell SRT, and it done about 20,000 Ks in that helmet, and all the padding had got pretty worn in it and that, and it just started getting really noisy. It was horrendous, even with earplugs in you. It was just so noisy. So I thought, bugger it, go get another one. Yeah, but that's it, my advice. Find a helmet you like at a bike shop or somewhere. Try it on, make sure you like it, and then go order it online and save yourself a heap of dollars. It's nice padding though, isn't it? You got a chin, covers your chin well. The padding seems quite nice inside them. It's very comfy actually. Plus I just liked it because it had that drop down tinted visor. And the shoeies I looked at, they were a bit dearer, but they didn't have that. That's what sold me on this, was it just felt the best comfort wise, and that drop down tinted visor inside. Other than that, it's just a helmet, isn't it? Material, I think they are like a fiberglass composite. Kind of doesn't really say anything about what it was made of. It just says composite material. That's all I can tell you about them. But it is light. It's 1450 grams. So there you go. It's a nice light helmet. And that's basically it, isn't it? Oh, and the visor here, when you shut it, you can just push that little tab over and you can lock the visor down. So that's another little pointless feature, isn't it, I guess? I don't know why you'd want that for. I've never had a visor come up on me. I guess if you're racing or something, if you're on a racetrack, you'd want that, I guess, to lock the visor in. I guess that's what that's for. But other than that, that's the HJC RPHA70.